Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to add Ninja Forms in WordPress. First, let's get the plugin installed. Ninja Forms is a fantastic tool for creating all sorts of forms, from contact forms to surveys. You can easily find and install it right from your WordPress dashboard. Just search for Ninja Forms, click Install, and then activate it. This simple first step gets you ready to build amazing forms for your website in just a few moments. Now that the plugin is active, let's create your very first form. Head over to the Ninja Forms menu in your WordPress admin area. You'll see an option to add new. Clicking this will open up the form builder. You can pick from several helpful pre-built templates, like a contact form or a newsletter sign-up, or simply start with a completely blank canvas to build from scratch. It's super flexible. With your new form open, it's time to add and customize your fields. The Ninja Forms Builder uses a simple drag-and-drop interface. You can add text fields, email fields, checkboxes, and many more. Click on any field to open its settings, where you can change the label, add a placeholder, or even set it as a required field. This ensures users provide all necessary information before submitting. Finally, once your form is perfect, you'll want to display it on your website. First, make sure to save all your changes within the Ninja Forms Builder. Then, you have a couple of easy options for embedding. You can use a simple shortcode, which you can copy and paste into any post or page. Alternatively, if you're using the block editor, there's a dedicated Ninja Forms block. Just add it and select your form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.